at Axen Rd. This is a new listing, and it has acreage and frontage on the north branch of the Prairie River. I'm just going to show you. They got this is maintenance-free decking. This is off of Axen Rd, which is not too far off of County J, so you have easy access going back to Highway 17, or you could go the other way and do 51. So you got some nice trees. She got just redid the siding, so everything is nicely well maintained, and nice entryway, actually like two entryways, one there, and this goes into a nice big entryway. So this is all tiled. There is a attached two-car garage. Yeah, so lots of storage. There is a door that goes out to the backyard, lots of windows, extra deep. They've taken advantage of all the storage space there. So this is heated with forced air, outdoor wood burner. This is the laundry on the main level, and you have a full bath. So bathtub here, and going into here there is a nice big walk-in pantry that is very full right now, but they're on their process of cleaning everything out. So kitchen area, nice new appliances here, and big pantry space, tons of cabinet space. You got the nice appliance garage there, and huge dining area. This has a little really nice little bar here that you can put stools, and this goes over to, this is a built-in, these actually slide, so you got tons more pantry space, or you could store your dishes in there that you use once a year. Nice little bump out here with the windows. I just want to look back at this because that's so cute. Living room is nice open concept to the kitchen. You got your breakfast bar here. She's got a little desk set up in the corner. Nice big living room. Gas brick fireplace. And he has, obviously is really good with woodworking. So all of the trim has been done, with a nice rustic log look to it. This is a built-in. There's tons of built-ins in this home. Little entryway closet. This goes back out to that deck, and main level master. So you've got your main level master, like all of this. This is built in. They've got a built-in bench there for storage, blankets, and nice big master here. All North Woodsy ceiling fans, decor. There's a pocket door here. This is the master bath. You've got a nice walk-in shower and a garden tub. And there is lots of cabinet space. And this goes into another pocket door. There is a really nice big walk-in closet with light. So this is coming down the steps. They've got some really nice wood accents. He's adding some trim here, but nice wood steps. And this comes down into a little entryway, and they're in the process of moving, so lots of stuff, and they're going to be putting it in a storage unit. So there is a drop ceiling here, concrete floor, so you could paint it or put flooring in here. They just didn't do that yet. And this room, they've got the drop ceiling. There is an egress window here, so this is bedroom number 2, and does have a closet. And then this is the utilities. So this is where the outdoor wood burner comes in, feeds your hot water heater, so in the wintertime does the hot water, and then also does the furnace. And the furnace is newer, so that has been replaced recently, and more storage. And this goes back into like a little root cellar area, going into the, this is your rec room area, and they do have another big storage room here, And then the flooring in here is like a laminate. So this does have the flooring, and they're in the process of putting knotty pine everywhere. They're going to knotty pine the ceilings. They're going to be finishing this wall. It will all be in knotty pine, and then they're leaving this wall painted. Of course, finishing the drop ceiling. And this was set up with tile and the brick, so you could put a pellet stove there. You know, it's always nice to have a little heat in the basement for winter. And that is a nice patio door. They got the tile entry, and they were going to do a patio out here. And then there is a little pond out there. So this does have carpet that they've kind of laid in here. Got the live edge shelf, closet. So this bedroom is pretty good to go. I think they're going to put a door on that. So there are some projects they're finishing up, but lots of space. So coming off this lower level rec room, this does walk out. So this, they got this sand area here. They planned on putting a patio here. The previous owner actually had a pool here, if you're into pools. So they do have a nice pond here with an aerated pond. Just kind of overlooks the woods here. Lots of oak trees. They have tons of deer that come in here. This is just a angle from this side. So this is a parking area that they have there. This is the back side of the garage. They do have a doggy door there, and entrance into the big garage. It does have central air, and it has, you know, some brick on this side. There used to be a deck that came out here, and they just got rid of it. They just didn't make sense to have a deck out to the woods here. So they're finishing wrapping this up, this project. So here's the front side of the house, that 2-car garage. Just really nice deck area and yard here. She's got it so nicely with flowers. And it's hard to see this time of day, but gravel driveway comes in, got a circle drive, drilled well. Does have a conventional septic, a nice outdoor wood burner with a nice building to put all the wood to keep it dry. And they've got this big heated workshop. On the back side of the workshop here, they have a really nice fenced-in garden area here, and some berry bushes. This is a trail system that goes back into the acreage. So coming into the workshop, this is set up with lots of outlets. He's got a little storage area above that he added, so you got plenty of room to store stuff. This is all insulated, heated with the wood burner, and you've got tons of storage. This actually has is set up as a bathroom, and there is he doesn't currently have it hooked up, but you could hook it up to have the bathroom in here. And this is where the well comes in and goes to the house. And you got a little storage room there. This is underneath of that loft area. So coming in here, this is the furnace that has the outdoor wood burner, comes in here and blows. I don't think this would run on regular LP. There's actually a washer dryer hookup here. So the previous owner that built the home actually used this as a house while they were building. Another loft area for storage. You got a nice tall door here. You can see he's got equipment in here, and a door that walks out there. And then this goes back out into that garden area. So down the trail leading to the woods, there is an area here that they had a contractor all set up to dig a pond. So there is a small amount of water in there now. They had the depth, and thought it'd be great to dig this out for a pond. And they do have a dock and everything that could go here. So we're down by the river. This is the north branch of the Prairie River. how crystal clear the water is. You can see down the river. There's a nice path that goes along the river here. So here's the path along the river. So you're walking along it here.
Does anybody know what?
So we're in an opening. So this would make a pretty good food plot area. The trails are mowed. Got a deer stand here, and that's the trail going back to the river.